You like the looks of my polished wheels, Bob?
Your polished wheels, huh? Mitch polishing, typical. You know, he's a poser. That's what he does. Yeah, that's what he does. Posing.
Whew.
Go, buddy.
What's going on, man?
Resident gear swapping expert. You know, he says he does this stuff all the time, so no big deal.
Love doing it.
Viper dip, no big deal. You know, he says just a Dana 44 to him, so
No,
you know,
ain't nothing.
it's a good thing he showed up today to save the day.
Yep.
What's going on in there, dude? Does it look awesome?
Looks great.
Oh,
It's pretty clean. Shiny.
Pretty clean, pretty
Brand
shiny.
new.
It's got a Unitrax stamp on it, so maybe we lucked out.
Maybe.
What are you doing, Bodie?
Oh, just sealing her up.
Sealing the rear end?
Sealing the rear hinder.
You know, you gotta have a properly sealed rear end.
Always.
I think that's rule number 1. I think rule number 2 is you gotta have a properly lubricated
Yes.
rear end. That is the key. Factory Vipers don't have a drain plug. No way to drain them except short of pulling the thing out and taking it apart. So while we had her apart, we thought we'd do that. Bodie was super quick at swapping the gears out. He was lightning fast, basically in the blink of an eye.
Blink of an eye.
Blink of an eye. Just for the fun of it, we thought we had a 373 rear end. Just for the fun of it, we did the old turn and count test, and turns out it's actually more like a 3 1/4 ratio, which is good enough for what we're gonna do. Actually, probably perfect. So then we did the count the teeth and do the math deal. 333 rear end. 333. Well, that's perfect. So sweet.
Sweet.
Thumbs up, Bodie.
Thumbs up.
Give me a thumbs up. Yeah. Awesome.
Jump upside down's awesome. Ain't it, Bob?
Well, you know, SDG Motorsports ported billet plate, baby. Ooh, nice.
Pretty.
Fancy.
It's gonna make all the horsepowers.
Look at all the little traces in that thing. That was a lot of freaking.
A lot of machine work. Very nice, Jabber. PFD designed for flow, bro. Gonna make all the horsepower. Is it heavy, buddy?
Oh, on the heavy side.
I'm not gonna lie, it's kinda heavy. Do you feel fast? That fucker's actually kind of big. Yeah.
It's freaking huge, dude.
Okay. Want to give me that again, buddy? Huh?
So you had to shorten your rack because the short guys can't reach the top rack on
Oh.
your tire rack there.
Wow, dude. I can't believe Big Arms is gonna let Bodie get away with that. Saga.
Why did we have to shorten it, right?
Well, we didn't think about it. It doesn't fit in that trailer with tires on it. And it was like, oh man, it'd be super convenient to just roll it in there. Take it to the tire shop, you know?
Yeah.
And then the freaking tires don't, you put the tires in it, they don't fit in the trailer.
Damn, look at that downer.
Doesn't matter.
Oh, Bodie's right, dude. We gotta test fit it with a tire.
Oh god.
That was the problem.
Like this. Okay, that's mint.
Oh, that works good. That's
That
nice.
works good.
That's
That's
nice.
the tall ones.
See, that doesn't look too bad there. That worked good.
I just need to put one. Don't worry about loading it all the way up. Put this one. Oh no.
Yeah, twist it. Turn sideways.
Oh, you could do that. Like this.
Oh my god, my rim.
That's what I thought about for just a second. I said, you know what? Fuck it.
Fuck Bob's rim.
Go in.
Da-da-da-da-da-da-da.
Go in the truth.
Oh, we ran into something else. Okay, good.
Perfect tire.
Ta-da!
It worked.
Oh, so. Yeah.
Hell yeah.
So
I
the
got
utility
to
trailer will be clutch, so we can just drop the rack off with the tires and the rims, and
Now we need to make one more of these.
so cool.
One more whole rack. So we got 2 of them.
There's your new Tinder profile picture right there, Rich. I mean,